This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold, and as usual, I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see, and as I was expecting last week, that price has broken through this support area here around the 1740 area, and then gotten all the way down to the 1700 area, and I am still expecting price to continue to this significant support area of 1680. And as we can see here previously, that price has tested that area multiple times. And like I normally say, when price tests an area multiple times, or the more times price tests an area, the stronger that area is. So I'm expecting price to get to that area and possibly bounce off it as well. That bounce may be a retracement, or it may be the beginning of a reversal. I don't know yet, but what I do expect is when price gets to this resistance area, this support area here, that price should bounce from there. Also, for price to break this support area, it has to do so with a very strong bearish candle. And again, because the area is very strong, we need more sellers to come into the market to break this area. And when price does, then it will move significantly to the downside as well. So we should be prepared for that as well. But my bias is more up towards price bouncing back from this support area, at least up to this resistance area of 1740, and giving us about 600 pips move if that happens. If we go down to the daily time frame, we can see on the daily time frame that price was in this range here, as I indicated last week, or the weekend, last weekend, saying that if price breaks below this area, most likely price would bounce to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. When price broke this area, I can see price retracing all the way to the continuing this move to the downside, and I still expect price to continue all the way to the 1680 area, as I've indicated previously, as this area is a major support level. So I'm expecting price to go all the way down there to rest in that area. Now, if we move to the 4-hour time frame where we normally take our entry, we can see that price currently is in this range, but again, like I said, I'm expecting price to continue to the downside. Now, the fact that I'm expecting price to continue to the downside doesn't mean that it will do so immediately. There is that possibility that price could continue straight to back into this support area that we can see, or price could retrace a bit back into this resistance area around 1740 before coming back down here and then making that sort of significant move from here to the top. So this area is a very risky area to enter, but we can still trade the area, especially if you're a day trader. I personally wouldn't be doing that. I would wait for price to get down to this support area here, or even retrace back up to this resistance area before taking any trade at all. And just to point out quickly, the trade I took last week was after there was this break and closure below this range, as I indicated, and I told you I was going to put my stop just above the range as well, taking my take profits down here. So I'm still expecting to gain about 400-500 pips on this particular move, and so currently around 200 pips in profit. So once the price gets down there, I'll exit the trade. Again, like I said, price could still retrace to the top here, and if it does, I probably will still be safe before price bounces again to the downside. Now, if you're a day trader, you can always go down to the hourly time frame, or possibly the 15 minutes time frame. We can identify a range from an area of resistance here, or just somewhere around this area, and then price coming all the way down here as well. So there is a sort of support here as well. So price could be ranging between these levels here, and then we can look to take our entry on the break of this range. So if you're a day trader, for example, you should be looking to trade this range. So if price comes above here and breaks above this area, most likely price would continue to the top. So price could come here, break, go back into this area, and then continue to move to the upside before coming down. This for me is the less likely option, and I'm expecting price to possibly retrace up here and then come back down, breaking this range. And once it closes below this area, price may retrace again into it and then continue to the downside. So as a day trader, you can capitalize on this move. That wouldn't be a bad trade at all. You can be looking to gain about 200 pips on that move if it does happen. On the other hand, I personally wouldn't be trading it. I would wait for price to get into this significant area on the 4-hour time frame before looking for any trades at all. And I hope that you will be able to capitalize on the move if it happens. Again, if you're patient enough to wait for price to get into this support area here, or even back up to the resistance area, there will be a major price move, and that you can capitalize on as well. So you don't always have to rush to take the minor moves. You can wait for a big move to be able to capitalize on that. So this basically has been my analysis for gold. I am currently bearish on gold, expecting price to continue its downward momentum, and hopefully give us a lot of opportunities to capitalize on. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget